Hi, Jacob here. Now this summer there's a big challenge happening over on Twitter, and it's called the Summer of Spike Challenge, and it's all about LEGO's new Spike Prime robotics set. The challenge is being run by Raising Robots, and Raising Robots very kindly loaned me this set as part of a programme a few months ago to get these into the hands of teachers all around the country. So to get us using them a bit and to get us having some fun with the Spike Prime kits, we've been set some challenges. And the first challenge is to build a drawing or artistic robot. Now, I've come up with this over the past day or two, and I'm pretty pleased with how it works. So I was going to show a couple of clips on Twitter, but I thought, you know what, actually I'm quite proud of this. So I'm going to make a very short YouTube video just showing you the art that this robot produces, and then at the end there'll be some photographs and the code as well. So if you want to have a go at kind of rebuilding it of your own Spike Prime set, you could do that as well. So basically the robot uses a Sharpie which fits into the little pen holder, and it will create art on post-it notes. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you 3 different pieces of art made of the same robot using the colour sensor to program it, and at the end I'll show you some photographs and the code in case you want to have a go at building it yourself. In the meantime, go over to Twitter and look at the Summer of Spike hashtag. There are loads of great challenges on there. So, enjoy! Okay, this is my drawing robot that I've made with LEGO Spike Prime as part of the Raising Robots challenge for the Summer of Spike. So, this is the robot that I have created. It may not look like much yet, but through a combination of motors and a bit of good luck, I'm hoping that this will draw me a lovely picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold a yellow brick, this one here, in front of the camera, the little colour sensor, and we should see a piece of art form before our very eyes. Look at that. Well done, Spike Prime. Great piece of art. Alright, we're going to try a second piece of art now, this time using the blue block of Lego on the colour sensor. So let's see what picture blue can make using our Spike Prime robot. Not bad at all. A slight jump in the middle there, but a pretty good set of concentric circles. Awesome, thank you Spike Prime robot. Okay, there's one more piece of art that I've programmed using the code on the screen for the Spike Prime robot to create. This time we're going to use a pink block, and let's see what artwork we can draw with our robot. Pretty abstract, pretty funky, but not bad for a LEGO robot. And if you think I got that working the first time, you'd be very mistaken. Here are a few, just a few, of my failed attempts before I got to where I needed to be.